Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to buy travel card in London. So as you can see, you can buy travel cards on Oyster. So you're gonna have to create an account on Oyster if you have a UK bank account, and you can buy 7-day, monthly and annual travel cards from there using your Oyster account. So you can buy them online. You can also buy them at Oyster ticket stops in many news engines in London. There you can buy 7-day travel cards and monthly travel cards. And you can also, now as you can see, if you buy the travel card for visitors, so if you're a visitor, you can buy them at the airport and on board Eurostar trains to London. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.